Homemade tricycle. Why not? If he's doing the job, you know. Hello. So, I'm going to the garage because I have a big road trip going on and I want to change everything. I want to change my spark plug because I have a spare one. I just found one in my box, so I'm just going to change it anyway. I changed my two brake pad, front and rear. I'm going to check my air filter, and when I get home I'm going to change my oil. I also need to change this part, so I got it here. I need to change this. I'm gonna see how busy they are. Maybe I buy the part and I do it myself if they're too busy. Both brake pads changed. The rear was still okay, but I just changed it so I can make a fresh start. I'm going for a road trip in Angeles City soon, and it's too big, so I just want to be ready, you know, no problem at all. Spark plug, I'm going to get the Iridium. I still have mine, I didn't change. The mechanic in Motor Central gave me another one in, well, actually I bought my it's in Alabang. I'm going now. I actually bought my quick throttle over there, so I'm just gonna check if I can get it today. Also, my bulb at the back, the rear tail light, but the tail light basically. The bulb is dead again. It's the second time I think, or third time. I changed twice in the front and now it's the second or third time in the rear. Is this happen often to the Raider 150 or what? Because it's kind of annoying now. It's very annoying basically. I don't remember my CBR having that much problem with the light. I think in 4 years I changed only once the tail one. That's it. It's not Honda, it's Motostar. Still looking good. Those gloves are really nice actually. So just been to the post office and pay 105 pesos to send only one letter, and it wasn't big one. To send one letter to France, they make me pay 105 pesos. I don't know, I think it's expensive, but it's international anyway. Cheaper to send an email, no? Happy birthday email, that's it. Or Facebook pictures, happy birthday, you know, it's much cheaper nowadays. Fuck. Hi. Thank you. So I'm now on the way back. So Iridium spark plug wasn't there. If anyone knows where I can find one in Manila, in case I can avoid to go in every bike shop to buy one, just let me know. So anyway, I got my tail light bulb. So I'm going back to the what do you call this? I'm going back to the Moto Central shop because where I bought it, basically they couldn't fit it. So I'm just gonna go there quickly, fit it if it's possible, and then after I'm gonna go to eat something because I'm very hungry. I'm gonna try Angel's Burger. I heard about it, but you know, I'm just gonna try out of interest. So if you don't know what Angel's Burger is, it's basically cheap burger. Buy one, take one.
Thank you, Ate.
How can I say that? The bread actually doesn't taste that bad. Then for the price, it actually tastes okay. Don't get the ketchup. Ketchup doesn't taste nice. But the bread and the bread is nice. It's okay. Basically the concept is make it very cheap. So it's like 36 pesos for 2 cheeseburger. So it's like 18 pesos each, which is very cheap. So when you get cheap, you don't really get great quality, but it's actually really okay if you want just quick bite. I wouldn't eat that every day though. I'm not sure what kind of beef they're using, and you know, the patty is very small, and then the bread. That's the whole concept about the feed. It's just to give you a quick fix, basically. Yeah, once in a while, why not? Don't get the ketchup. The ketchup doesn't taste nice. So when it's so sweet, it doesn't taste like ketchup. More like sweet tomato sauce. But it's okay, yeah. Once in a while, as I say, you know, it's not like the McDonald's. You can go. I mean, McDonald's is not very nice neither. But for the price, it's actually a quick fix. Is nice. Why not? I'll tell you tomorrow if I'm sick or no. I know why. Joke.
Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love, and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things, I gotta just let it all out. I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that, telling me things about rap, talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my